Okay, so here we have an Epiphone Alex Lifeson replica guitar. Now these come with quite a well documented issue. So this is the original, bottom of the original locking nut. And with the spacing of the one that they've chosen, it puts the strings, the E strings, too close to the edge of the fretboard. So what can happen is the string basically comes off the fretboard, makes it difficult to play. So the solution is to change it for another one. This is a Goto. And on the measurements, everything looks fine. So it's the same width there, and the screw holes are the same spacing. So it looks like you can just unscrew one and put the other one on, but in reality you can't, because although the screw holes fit, the alignment's slightly different, so it ends up being slightly cocked that way and it overhangs. So what should have been an easy job becomes a bit of a ball ache. So I ended up putting some dowels in the original screw holes and filling and gluing those in so that I could drill new holes. And the next issue to watch out for is that can then, if it's not absolutely perfectly straight, you can end up with this screw then going into the truss rod cavity. So you have to put a very slight angle on the screws to make sure you're grabbing basically the meat of the neck rather than thin air, and then put it all back together, and the spacing is further in. So that should solve this problem.